Hey guys, welcome back to Peckish, and today we're going to be making flapjacks with a twist. The twist is dark chocolate cranberries, and these are one of my favourite chocolates. The ingredients are oats, half a cup of margarine, a pinch of salt, sugar, dark chocolate cranberries, golden syrup, and cooking chocolate, which is dark chocolate. So to start, we're going to be adding some butter or margarine. Then we're going to be adding some sugar. Then 1 pinch of salt. And 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. But we've used quite a bit of this, so this is the amount of 3 tablespoons. So we're just going to add all of that in. Now we're going to mix the butter, maple syrup, sugar and salt until it's melted on the stove. Now we're going to add the 2½ cups to the bowl. Two and a half. Now we're going to pour our heated up mixture into the 2½ cups of oats. Looking good, looking good. Keep on mixing until it looks like this. Now we're going to chop up these dark chocolate cranberries to put inside our mixture. But as I said at the start, it is optional what you can add and whatever you have in your cupboard, really. So let's cut this open. So we've opened them. We're going to put them into the bowl. Now you're going to put the raisins on the chopping board and start chopping. Now we're going to add the chopped cranberries into our flapjack mixture, and we also kept a few whole ones because they were quite small. And now we're going to give it a really, really good mix. Now we're going to add our delicious mixture into the baking tray. Pour the mixture in, you're just going to flatten it down. Make sure you spread it out so it's very even. After it's all flattened out, as you can see, all the chocolate's starting to melt. We're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Put the flapjack into the oven on 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Make sure you have parent supervision. Looks delicious. Now we're going to break the dark chocolate into a bowl and put it in the microwave. Now we're going to put the dark chocolate in the microwave for a minute on full power. Here's the flapjack when it comes out the oven. It smells and looks absolutely amazing. This dark chocolate, we actually heated it up for 2 minutes in the microwave, so let's drizzle it on.
She just made a mistake.
I'll move the bowl for you. This is what the amazing flapjack looks like when it's finished. It smells and looks amazing.
It looks good, sis.
Now, the best part, the taste test.
It looks good, sissy.
Thank you.
How did you make them?
How are they?
Amazing. The cranberry
How did you make them?
Well, you'll have to watch the video.